got a telly put in there, have you? Because it's so practical, that's what I know. It's got their own climbing frame. I could see me starting this up in Cardiff and driving up to Yorkshire to see my kids, you know. Just a little day trip, like, you know.
Yeah, no problem.
Please take me now.
In about 1.3 seconds, I guess.
What fuel does it run?
It would just about beat my car there.
What? Sorry?
Sorry?
What sort of fuel?
Oh, well, we have to use race fuel, I'm afraid. It's called C12.
Right, what compression does it run?
It's about 13.6, 13.71.
And why do you run the race fuel?
To stop detonation, effectively. It doesn't really give you more power as such, but it prevents you from getting detonation and hurting and melting.
Sort of ignition advance when you run with that then?
We conservatively run about 34, 36. Yeah. We might push it a little bit more next weekend because we've run a 9.16, but I'd like to get an 8-second run out of it. We'll see. It might not be there.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Nice time to pod, are you, next week?
Yes, yeah. We're going to the North Arnouts. We shouldn't really be there.
It'd be good to show off a few Mopar engines with this. What was it originally? Or is it just a custom built engine? Was it out of a car originally, the engine, or?
Yeah, no, it's an engine I bought and built it myself. Well, I've bought it twice now.
Is it based on anything, or is it just purely race design?
It's a Chevrolet engine. Started life as a 454 cubic inch, whatever that is.
7 and a bit, 7.5.
66 to the litre. But this winter I put a stroker crank in it and things, and it's now 496 cubic inches, which is about 8.2 litres total.
Best of luck with that.
Yeah, it's having fun with it, that's the thing. Of course it's a nice body shape, isn't it?
Yes, always the best body shape. Was any choice on the estate over the saloon? Was it better aerodynamics or something?
Well, I think apparently it probably is slightly better because of the flow. It's more stable at the top end, I think, than a saloon would be. But now it was up for sale as a roll-up car there making a show, and we just like the look of it. What
Excellent.
hard work had been done to it, so we just took it on from there.
Excellent.
No, it was made left-hand drive, partly because when you race, the torque twist lifts this side of the car up, and it's just to help balance that a little bit. It doesn't stop it, still comes up.